Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And this week we're working on an 80s classic rock pop song, Jessie's Girl. Yeah, Rick Springfield. Okay, this is definitely for the grown-ups out there, but I tell you what, anyone of any age is gonna get into this groove. It's such a fun song. It was a smash hit. It still is awesome to listen to, and I'm sure it's on the radio today somewhere if you look for it. Radio? Right. What's radio? Anyway, let's get into the chords. There's 4 chords that we're gonna play in this song. There's a couple of little embellishments during the chorus, but for the most part, the 4 chords are D, A, B minor, and G. I'm going to play these slower for you. Hey, are you new to the Loog Nation community? Why don't you subscribe, become a part of our community, and watch more videos like this every week, Thursday. Yeah, Beat and I are dropping a video every Thursday for you. Yeah, this is my buddy Beat, by the way. Beat is really great at helping me stay on track and helping you learn the Loog. D, there's the chart. Notice my 2 fingers on the outside and the 3rd finger over on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. A. So A is on the 3rd string and 2nd string. But this song, I normally play with the 2 middle fingers, but this song, I'm going to play with my 1st and 2nd finger. There's a reason why, I'll show you in just a second. So here's our A, 1st and 2nd finger, 3rd string, 2nd string. And then we're going to move to the B minor. I call this our staircase. 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. Great. And then our G. You can play G with any finger. 1st finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. I'm using my 2nd finger today. Again, there's a reason for this. So, those 4 chords make up that iconic progression. That's a great question, Beat. How do we make it sound so cool like the song? So the one thing that they're doing is they're palm muting the strings. They're using the palm to mute by the bridge. They're laying their whole hand, the palm of their hand, down on the bridge to make this muted sound. Right? That's what gives that whole verse and most of the song its cool vibe, right? Here we go. D, and I'm going to use a palm mute, and I'm going to play a D. So 2 strums. And then I'm going to play 2 strums on the A. And then I'm going to play 2 strums on the B minor. And then I'm going to play 2 strums on the G. And then 2 strums on the A. And then back to the D. Now, it's not perfectly straight in the beat, right? We're not going... Yeah, so what is happening there? What's happening there is we're starting on the up. We're starting on the and the beat, right? So we're going... And you could do that. You could play the first one without the palm and then stop it. Some of the chords are off the beat and some of the chords are on the beat. So we start off the beat. Off the beat. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, A, B minor. G, G, A, B, D. What was that? Why don't you watch? I'm going to do the claps and we'll do it together. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. So some are in the rhythm, right? 2, 3, 4. Ba, ba, A, B minor, right? And then we have G, A, D, D. Cool. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. It's like there's two sets of three, right? We have D, A, B minor, and then we have G, A, D. So think of them as two sets of three. The first one, D, is off the beat. Off, off. A is on, B minor is on. And then the second set of three is G, off the beat, off. A is on the beat, and D is on the beat. Yeah, all right. So that's so much of the song. That is the verse and the first part of the chorus, right? So in the chorus, we played this phrase 3 times. Last time. Then we go to an A, and we're going to hold that for 2 bars. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to go to a D. And now what I think makes it fun on the Loog is instead of just playing D, 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 well, I'm going to go off on. I'm going to like go. Get that cool kind of rattly, rocky sound. Off, on. And then I'm going to play an A with my first and second finger. And that A, I'm going to create kind of an add-on, and I'm going to take off. Now, if you're playing a 6-string guitar, you'd be playing an A power chord to a B power chord. But with the Loog, I think it's really fun to kind of simplify this action. It happens very fast. So we're going off, on, and then we go A, add the third finger onto the second string third fret. Right? So the whole phrase sounds like So nothing. Do that twice. And then we end the chorus with G, A, D, B minor, then A. Do that again. G, A, D, B minor to A. Okay, there is a bridge in this song. And we have 3 chords that we're playing, and we're using rock eighth notes to play it. So we have a G, and a D, and then an A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G, D, A, G, D, A. G, D, A. So if we play it up tempo, it's going to sound more like this. And notice I'm using strong strums and not as strong strums, or like regular strums, I guess, to accent the changes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Great! So there's the bridge. All right, so if we were to put the whole song together, we have a certain order that all of those things occur. Verse, chorus, verse, chorus. And in fact, there's a little bit of like a double chorus. He sings, "Where can I find a woman like that?" a couple of times. Then we slide into this bridge. We come back to, "Where can I find a woman like that, like Jessie's girl?" And then we do a couple of choruses to get out of the song. Great. So you have all the pieces to put together Jessie's Girl by Rick Springfield. Watch these sections again. I'm going to go through them one by one as a play along just to make sure we have all the pieces. But I want you to do your best to listen to the song, look up the words, and hear the changes from verse to chorus and the little bridge and then back to chorus. Okay? So we're going to do the verse into chorus and then we're going to go into the bridge. Ready? Yeah, let's do it. 2, 3, 4. That's fun. And then we go to the bridge. Right? And they do that for a while. And then we go back into the chorus. I wish that I had Jessie's girl. I wish that I had Jessie's girl. Jessie's girl. Where can I find a woman like that? Like Jessie's girl. Wish that I had Jessie's girl. Where can I find a woman like that? Oh. Yeah, all right. My singing may not have been perfect, but that was a good rendition of how to play Jessie's Girl on your Loog. Yeah, it's fun. 80s songs are so fun. We're going to do more 80s songs in the future. Speaking of in the future, do you have an 80s song that you want to learn? I want you to let me know in the comments below what 80s rock song you want to learn on the Loog. I'm sure there's a way to play it on the Loog, and we will figure it out together here at Loog Nation. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I will see you guys next week with another song that we can play on the Loog. That's just great to hear. Yeah. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Mr. Will. That's Pete. We'll see you next Thursday.